This is Morten from English. We are here at the IST UV Days in Nürtingen in Germany. And I mean, when we are here, of course, we meet our good friends from KURZ, and this time with Jörg. So good to see you, Jörg.
Morten, nice to see you.
I mean, everybody tells me that I'm everywhere, but I think that you are everywhere as well as a company, right?
Yeah, of course, worldwide.
I mean, it goes pretty well for KURZ, right?
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit how, because everybody knows you from the beautiful foils.
Yeah.
And everybody knows you from the wonderful samples that you always bring to shows, like the one you have here. But there's a side to it, and that's what you work. You work with the sustainability side of KURZ, right?
So this is my part. I'm responsible for the sustainability together with my team.
Yeah.
You know, we are affected from the PPWR actually, and we have 3 topics we want to say to our brands, to our customers, to our industry. So the first one is, you know, our product is with a PET carrier.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is technical, not on other way possible.
But it's important to know, of course.
It's important to know, and to be honest. But the first thing what we want to do and what we had done is to reduce the PET carrier.
Yeah.
Normally in the past and a couple of decades it was 12 micrometers thick. Now we produce it to 10, and in the cold transfer up to 6. So we produce it -17 up to -50%.
So that basically show here that you have 2 rolls where you have like the same volume on them, but because the carrier is so much thinner, it basically has less PET.
Of course.
Yeah.
And beside of the sustainability, you also have much plus in the production. Because
so I've heard that it's actually better to produce on the thin one than the thick one.
Yeah,
is that right?
Yeah, it's right. It's right. The results with the thinner one are very, very good, to say it. Yeah, very, very good. And normally you have 12,000 meters on a jumbo reel, and with a thinner carrier you can go up to 20,000 meters.
Wow.
And with this you have a stable production, must not change the reel so much. It's better for everybody. And you have a less CO2 print for transport, and also a better warehouse system. Yeah.
Fantastic. And one of the things, this is of course very good on the product side, but I think that one of the things I really like about KURZ in Europe, you also have a collection system where you take the waste and bring it back for recycling, right?
Morten, thank you.
I've been talking to you guys so many times, right?
Yeah.
So,
For this we are very famous because, as I told you very clear, we have a PET carrier. And we will take back the waste from our customer, going in a recycling system. It's based in Fürth by our headquarters, and we want to separate from the PET carrier our liquors, our lac. And after this, we have the possibility to get airpad. And
so this comes from the flakes?
This comes from the flakes.
And is this like a plastic product, like this PET?
This is an rPET, a recycled PET.
Recycled, okay. Yeah.
And with this you can produce a lot of things.
Okay, so not only new foils, but
No,
totally different new things.
To be very clear, of course, it's our focus to have new PET carrier. We're working on this technical. Actually, it's not possible.
Okay, so there's a technical challenge to that one,
of course.
But this can be used for different things, basically.
For different things. We have done it in laboratory with a PET carrier with 45% of rPET. Yeah, so we're still working on this. But beside this, we have other industries where we can sell our product. So, for example, this one.
Oh, so this is a thread?
Yeah. Or some bags, some T-shirts, shoes, bags. So there is a huge industry for us.
And this is made out of these ones?
This is made of these ones. Amazing. And addition to this one, we have a regulation with the PPWR to use airpad in the future, latest in 2030. So this one is very requested.
That's amazing. And that is all of these things happens at KURZ factories. This is not something you outsource. This is something you do yourself.
Till we get the airpad.
Yeah.
It's only by KURZ.
Yeah.
We have our own recycling facility in Fürth, it's based, and all by KURZ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when you have the responsibility for this area here, does that mean that you make sure that you get the collection back from the printing companies and packaging companies, and that you sell this to the appropriate market, or what is it that you actually do?
Actually, what I and my team is doing is we go to the customer to see which kind of CO2 footprint certification you get one. We will calculate it because our target is to reduce the CO2 footprint from our customer, of course. Yeah. And our target is to collect this on the, let me say, eco-friendliest way. We have here a partner, a transport partner. We are working with them, and after this, my colleagues will to sell it to the market. Yeah, and also our laboratory will try to find a way how we can reuse it for our PET carrier.
Fantastic. I'm always intrigued when I talk to you guys, because for me it's just like that is magic. You're a magician. I knew it, right?
Sometimes for me too. Yeah.
Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye.